In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a UX design portfolio website with Framer. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by preparing your content before you open Framer. Collect your strongest 3 to 4 UX case studies, the projects that best represent your process, plus a concise personal bio and clear contact information. Focus on storytelling. Each case study should explain the problem, your research and ideation, the design iterations, and measurable outcomes where possible. Trim anything that doesn't support your narrative so visitors can quickly understand your approach and strengths. Next, sign up for Framer and choose a starting point. The free tier and the AI-assisted builder make it quick to get structure in place. Pick a template or use the Blueprint AI to generate a layout that aligns with your goals. Templates save time and give you consistent structure for navigation, headers, and footers, so you can concentrate on content rather than building everything from scratch. Once you have a template, customize the visuals to reflect your personal brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and imagery so the site feels cohesive. Use Framer's design tools to tweak pre-made components and make them your own. When swapping images, use high-quality mock-ups and thoughtful photography that support the story of each project. Keep contrast and readability in mind, and create a visual hierarchy that guides attention to your work and process. When it's time to add your case studies, bring in your Figma files or recreate screens directly in Framer. Prioritize clarity and visual appeal. Large, legible headings, concise captions, and annotated images that highlight decisions. Use Framer variables for consistent elements, such as spacing, colors, and buttons, so updates are fast and uniform across pages. Design for mobile first, then scale up. Test layouts on different device sizes using Framer's responsive features and preview tools. Tailor interactions and content order for smaller screens. And make sure tap targets are large enough. Inspect your site on actual devices when possible to catch layout quirks and readability issues. Add animation thoughtfully to enhance experience without distracting. Focus on subtle transitions, hover states on interactive elements, and small micro-interactions that reinforce hierarchy. Avoid heavy animations that hurt performance or obscure content. Finally, publish and share your work using Framer's hosting. You can launch on a Framer subdomain quickly to start getting feedback. Once published, share links in your portfolio, LinkedIn, and professional networks, and iterate based on the feedback you receive. With well-prepared content, a tailored template, and careful attention to responsiveness and motion, your Framer portfolio will communicate your UX thinking clearly and professionally.